Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts.
Hello there and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited that the weather is amazing in my area and that I'm able to spend some time out in the backyard. I'm happy that we ventured back to the backyard so that we can clean up this side bed. Now we added in this full grouping of plants last, I want to say summer. I think it was into the summer. And I did 3 plants. So I did hostas in the front and I think it's called a stel. I'm not sure of the name, but I'll look it up and I will put it up on the screen for you guys. And we did a grouping on one side, and then we also did these caramel corabelle. Absolutely beautiful. I love the way the color is shining. They are so perky and I absolutely love them. Well, the other week I added in some hellebore in the back. So I absolutely love the color. I've never had hellebore before. I shared with you guys before Easter that I had picked up 2 hellebores, and I decided to pop them in on this left hand side of the seating area. So this is just footage of me planting up the hellebores one night after work. I wanted to get them out of the pots and into the ground. After we plant these up, we're going to come back to this weekend where I was cleaning up this whole side bed. So I just wanted to welcome you guys to the channel. If this is your first time by, welcome. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope that you enjoy my vibe and decide to stay and subscribe and join me back here for another video. So several years before I started planting here, we actually did the method of sheet mulch, where we just put down cardboard and right on top of all of the vegetation that was here. And we just put down mulch, and we just killed off all of the grass in this area, which are underneath the 50-foot high pine trees, which I have about 10 trees flanking both left and right hand side of my yard, all along the border. The past owners lived here for about 50 years, and they planted up some really mature trees that we inherited when we purchased the home. So I absolutely love the shade that they provide here in the backyard. So before we get started, I wanted to share this recent makeover that we did, which was the side path makeover, where we redid this full pathway. I stained it this slate color, and we just put some mulch down. We refreshed the rocks, and I absolutely love the way that this just sets the stage for the backyard. So now that we finished the front, we are focusing all of our attention to the backyard, and we are just going to be diving into the side bed, and we're going to have so much fun. Now, I did want to thank you guys so much for all of the comments that you left in the last video. I'm popping up the images that I asked you guys to vote on, and this was to cover up the 2 air conditioning units that we recently had put in our yard on the right hand side and also on the left hand side, which is right off the patio. So you guys left me so many encouraging comments, and I just wanted to thank you so much for all of your comments. Now I haven't really finalized what I was going to do, so please leave me a comment down below. I'm going to flash the choices back up a little later in the video. Leave me a comment and let me know which ones you think I should use. So we are going to be having one right by that AC unit that I have there on the right hand side of the house. And then there's also on the left hand side, there's the same unit, but it's turned the wide way. So I'll have to do a different configuration. But leave me a comment and let me know which of those options that I popped up on the screen you like. Which one is your favorite choice? I think I'm really going towards the angled top. I think that is so pretty. I absolutely love it. So when I do pop it up on the screen, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. So I have a confession. The first bag that was there was actually collected during the fall time, and it has been sitting in this side bed all winter long. So when I went to go pick up the bag, the whole bottom fell out. So that's why I had to transfer it over to another bag.
Chilling in the rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain.
I absolutely love the way that this bush looks when it's in bloom. It is absolutely beautiful. I forget the name of it. I definitely am going to have to do the Planta app and identify it and write it down this time. But if anyone knows the type of bush that this is, leave it in the comments for me.
Oh,
So I didn't have my hedgers out with me, and I didn't want to have to take another trip back into the garage, so I just picked up the lobbers, and I'm just cutting some of the low-lying ivy vines just so I can keep it in check while it's still early. Now, in my last video, in every video that I've ever had, I always call the pine cones acorns for some reason. And as I watch the video back, I'm always laughing to myself that I'm calling it acorns, knowing that I have pine trees and that they're pine cones. So I just wanted to mention that one of you guys did say that in my last video, and I did laugh about it, and I was really shocked that no one else had commented and said, "Daphne, these are pine cones." So I just wanted to mention that. I thought it was so funny. So now that we got all the debris off of these rockers, I just wanted to just scrub them down with some dish soap and warm water. I'm just using my deck brush to just be able to get a lot of the grime, that collected, because I didn't cover these up over the winter time. These are from Cicero. They gifted me them about 2 years ago, these rockers, and they're absolutely beautiful. I have them linked inside of my Amazon storefront in case you're interested. I have the exact ones and also some other chairs as well. So while I was minding my own business, 2 huge squirrels scurried and scared me and then scampered up the large trees that I just showed you. So I had to collect myself and then continue on working. But I am always startled most of the times being out here in the backyard because it's so secluded with these large trees. You don't really, think that anything else is out there with you, but these squirrels are always on the prowl, and they just make a lot of noise sometimes. And this time of year and time of day, they like to fight amongst each other, and that particular one just really startled me. So I thought it would be cute to just bring over one of these boxwood wreaths. I have it on a hanger, and I just wanted to, flank it in the middle of the seating area to just add a little, pizzazz over in the seating area. And I think that it turned out so cute. So I'm just adding back the fire pit, which we're going to be enjoying tomorrow. And I just wanted to show you the before we started cleaning and clearing everything out, and then we're going to go into the after. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate your support. I hope that you are motivated to get out and just do a quick project in your backyard or in your front yard. Just get out and enjoy your surroundings. And until the next time, which will be Sunday, have a blessed day. In case you're looking for something else to watch, you can check out this video, which was our spring front porch makeover. So I'll see you next Sunday. Have a blessed day.